If 33 and 1/3% of x is 29, what is the value of x? 33 and 1/3 as an improper fraction is 100/3. Percent means out of 100. Of x means times x is 29, so equals 29. To solve for x, multiply both sides by 100. Then you get 100/3. 100/3 times x equals 2900. To isolate the variable, use the multiplicative inverse to cancel out the 100s and the 3's. On the right, you can cancel out the two zeros they have in common. X is now all by itself. 29 times 3 is 87. Therefore, x equals 87. You have this equation. To solve for a, move everything to one side, setting them equal to 0. Remember, when you move a term, you change the sign to its opposite. Let's factor this polynomial. I'm going to do a quick trial and error. The leading term can be factored into 9a and a, and the constant term can be factored into 7 and -3. Let's see if the product of the inner terms and the product of the outer terms give us the middle term of -20a. 7a minus 27a equals -20a, which does produce the middle term. So this is the correct factorization. Now, in order for this to equal 0, we can set the expression in each set of parentheses to 0. Solve for a by isolating it. 9a equals -7. Divide both sides by 9, you get -7/9. A can also equal 3. However, given the condition that a is less than 0, it has to be the negative value. So D is the correct answer. You're given a system of two equations. To find the solution, you have to find a common point of intersection. Looking at the first linear equation, I just want to factor in and see what happens. You can factor out the -7, getting x plus 3 inside the parentheses. Look, the factor expression x plus 3 can be seen in the other equation. When you set x equal to -3 in both equations, they both produce a 0 for y, which is their common intersection point. As an ordered pair, it would be -3, 0. The answer is B. What is the slope of a line A if line A is perpendicular to line B, defined as 9x equals 3y minus 6? First, let's write the equation in slope-intercept form by isolating y on one side. Move -6 to the other side, you get 9x plus 6 equals 3y. To eliminate the 3, divide every term by 3. You get 3x plus 2 equals y. Now that this is in slope-intercept form, we can easily identify the slope of the line B, which is the coefficient of x, so 3. To find the slope of a line that is perpendicular to line B, find the opposite reciprocal. We get -1/3. Now that's how we crushed the SAT.